it has a parabola, and the parabola has a vertex, and I realize this is just a freehand sketch. Pretend that's a parabola, because that's what it's supposed to be. And the vertex is at -1, -3, and it goes through the point 1, 5, and we'll talk about why the book gives us a point. But it says write this in vertex form. So remember that vertex form is this: f of x is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. Okay? So our vertex occurs at the point -1, -3, which means that h is equal to -1 and k is equal to -3. So if I plug those numbers in, I get f of x is equal to a times x minus -1 squared minus 3. That's cool. So if I simplify that, I get f of x is equal to a times the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 3. Now, I don't know what a is. Now, the only way I could solve a is if I had another point on the line. So this is my x value, and normally we think of it in terms of x and y. But really, the f of x is kind of like the y coordinate, right? It's just a different way to write it. So I could say 5, which is f of x, is equal to a times the quantity x is 1 plus 1 squared minus 3. And so what I've done is I've just gone through and I've taken f of x and x and plugged them into the equation. It gives me a bunch of numbers plus the variable a. So now if I say 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 squared is 4, so that gives me 4 times a, which is 4a minus 3. Add 3 to both sides, and I get 8 is equal to 4a, divide both sides by 4, and I get a is equal to 2. So if I have h and k, and now I have a, I can write the equation of the line. So vertex form is this: f of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. And since I know all those terms, I can now rewrite the equation as f of x, which is equal to a, but a is equal to 2, so I'm going to put a 2 here, times the quantity x minus h, but h is minus 1, so when you minus a minus, it becomes a plus, squared. And then plus k, well, k is equal to -3, so plus -3 is the same as minus 3. And so this is your answer.